need to make a presentation for school, work, or maybe your social media page? Well, Microsoft PowerPoint can make that very easy. My name is Tech Warlock, and I shall be guiding you through this in just under 5 minutes. Well, let's dive into it. Well, open up your PowerPoint, click onto Files, and click onto Open. If you're starting from scratch, select New and go for the blank presentation. Here you'll find the default title page where you shall enter the title to your presentations. And today I'm going to be presenting about arts and crafts. Be sure to add your presentation name and subtitles.
Don't come too close. Should I take Keisha or should I take Becky? Rossi and Wayne both said I don't know. I swear Big A should be sponsored by Nike. He's got so much tech when he's trying to score goals. Ordnance Robo back that pole. If you know, then you know. E1, I'm bringing it back. Drop a gun link on, no one's be slapped. I'm in the backseat with a
now,
with the biggest the backs.
be sure to go to New Slide, select given layout from title and content, section headers to content comparisons, title zone, or whatever suits your slide. And thereon, be sure to use bullets to keep points short, and feel free to insert images to get your point across. This makes your presentation more lively and easier for everyone to understand.
Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette? English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola.
This will literally help you keep the audience at bay. Be sure to add in a default design which suits your presentation. And I'm going for this because it looks more art-like. I took a perky, I'm out of my brain. I ain't never stepping out of my lane. Man, I did a lot of shit. And of course, the different colorations you can choose from and different design types. Be sure to use transitions for your slides. Well, in short, make your presentation appealing. Use different themes from the design tab to make it more attractive, and transitions from the transition tab to make your presentation keep it slow and keep it engaging to the audience. Choosing transitions, I advise you should go for something more less flashy and more appropriate. And to present your work, go to slideshow tab and decide to use from the beginning, and there you have it. Now you can engage all your audience through your slides, giving the necessary tour and explanations, and have fun while you're at it. And don't forget to save your work. As usual, we shall go to the Save As, browse for the file, and have it as presentation. And there, we are done. Well, creating a PowerPoint is simple but powerful. Well, hit the subscribe button for more quick tech tutorials and stay above the pump. This is Tech Warlock signing out.